A warm and hearty welcome my dear students. आप सभी को मेरी क्लास में स्वागत है. So today we are going to discuss another aspects of chemical bond in chapter, जो कि है मतलब till date हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि कैसे वेस्पार्ट थ्योरी के हेल्प से how with the help of Wespard theory or valence shell electron pair repulsion theory we can predict the shapes of molecules. We can predict the shapes of molecules. Now according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, if there is a lone pair and there is only bond pair in a molecule, so there will be repulsion between bond pair and bond pair of electrons. Now also we have seen that there can be one lone pair and also bond pair in a molecule. So there will exist bond pair repulsion, then also there will exist lone pair bond pair repulsion. And suppose if there are more than one lone pairs of electrons are present in a molecule, so in that case we will have three types of repulsions. Three types of repulsions. That is lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsion, and also bond pair repulsion. Now due to these repulsions, the geometry of the molecule gets distorted. Now what happens if the geometry gets distorted? This lone pair of electrons or this bond pair of electrons, because of the repulsion, geometry मॉलिक्यूल का डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाता है, डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है और खराब हो जाता है. सो वी हैव सीन वन टेबल, वी हैव टेकन इन आवर लास्ट क्लास इनटू कंसीडरेशन टू टाइप्स ऑफ टेबल. वन टेबल कंटेनिंग ओनली बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स and other table containing lone pair as well as bond pair of electrons. Now I specially want to give one formula, because you will not be asked what is this and what is that. You will be asked the questions like this in a board exam, that on the basis of Wespard theory, the question will be like this. This is NCERT question, NCERT question. ये NCERT question हमेशा आता है. So on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, okay, comma, predict the shapes of following molecules and ions. Predict the shapes of following molecules and ions. So ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है हमेशा. So molecules or ions. So if they will supply two molecule, then you will get 1 mark. If or 1 mark or 2 mark, this type of questions come in the final exam. Okay. Now, so with this, how we will predict? There is a formula to predict the shapes of molecules on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. तो फॉर्मूला जो है वो है कि फॉर्मूला है इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ number of valence electrons on the central atom. So number of valence electrons on the central atom, plus number of atoms linked to the central atom by covalent bond. Number of atoms plus number of atoms linked to the central atom by covalent bond. Okay. So this is the formula which I have taken very long years back from some sources, and this formula will help you to predict the shapes of various molecules or ions. Okay, जितना भी जो भी मोलिक्यूल तुमको दिया जाए इस फॉर्मूला को लेके हेल्प लेके you can solve the questions, that is you can predict the shapes of molecules or ions on the basis of बैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर रिपल्शन थ्योरी। सो फॉर्मूला क्या है? फॉर्मूला है कि शेप क्या होगा? शेप इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ नंबर ऑफ बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑन द सेंट्रल एटॉम, नंबर ऑफ बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑन द सेंट्रल एटॉम प्लस नंबर ऑफ एटॉम्स लिंक्ड टू द सेंट्रल एटॉम बाय कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, नंबर ऑफ एटॉम्स लिंक्ड टू द सेंट्रल एटॉम बाय कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स। तो ये है हमारा फॉर्मूला। तो देखते हैं हम इस फॉर्मूला को कैसे यूज करते हैं। सो लेट अस टेक one by one example and we see how we can predict the shape of that molecule. So let's see. So first the example which I am taking is ClF3 molecule is ClF3 molecules. So ClF3 molecule. Now in ClF3 the central atom is Cl. The central atom is Cl. So the number of valence electrons in Cl atom is, because in Cl we know that atomic number is 17, so 2, 8, 7. So this is the configuration of electronic configuration of Cl atom. So Cl atom has valence electron equal to 7. Next is how many atoms plus number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bonds. Number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bonds. So number of atoms bonded is number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bond is equal to, see we have 3 fluorine atom bonded to Cl atom, so the answer is 3. So as per formula that we have half into 7 plus 3, so equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5, means there are 5 bonds around central atom chlorine in this molecule. ये molecule पे 5 bonds है around central atom in this molecule. So 5 bond में से 3 bond चला गया, लेके चला गया फ्लोरीन. So बाकी 2 bond क्या है? 2 lone pair है. So upon these 5 bonds, so number of lone pairs will be, therefore number of lone pairs will be equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So there will be 2 lone pairs. So if we want to draw the structure, we will have the structure like this. So here one fluorine, here one fluorine, here one fluorine, and this here we have one lone pair, here we have another lone pair. So the shape will be T-shaped. So shape is not trigonal bipyramidal. The shape should be trigonal bipyramidal as per our knowledge. The shape should be trigonal bipyramidal. But due to the presence of lone pair as well as bond pair in the molecule, this lone pair repulsion will be there, lone pair bond pair repulsion will be there, bond pair repulsion will be there. So the shape gets distorted and the molecule takes the T shape. Okay. Next example we are going to consider is BrF5. Next example is BrF5. So B number 2 is BrF5. Okay. So central atom here is bromine. So whatever be the bromine is having atomic number 35. So whatever be the configuration, but the valence electron, so whatever be the configuration is 2, 8, 18, 7. So 2 plus 8 10 plus 18 28 plus 7 35. So number of valence in Br atom will be is equal to 7. So now number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bond, कितना atom bonded है to the central to bromine, कितना है atom? 5 atom. So number of atoms bonded to it is 5. So the answer will be half into 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 means 12. 12 by 2 means it will be have 6 bonds. So 6 बॉन्ड में से 5 बॉन्ड ले गया फ्लोरीन. 6 बॉन्ड में से 5 बॉन्ड ले गया फ्लोरीन एटॉम. तो बाकी बॉन्ड कितना रह गया है? लोन पेयर 1. तो नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर्स विल बी इक्वल टू 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the structure will be like this. So 5 ले गया, ये है ब्रोमीन. Okay, so I am writing it in different colors so that you can understand. So this is bromine, this is one F, this is another F, this is another F, one F and another F, and one bond is with this lone pair electron. So accordingly the shape should be octahedral, the geometry of the molecule should be octahedral, but due to the presence of lone pair of electron, so there will be repulsion between lone pair and bond pair. So there will be repulsion between bond pair and bond pair, bond pair and bond pair, bond pair repulsion. So the shape of the molecule gets distorted. Molecule का shape बिगड़ जाता है. So it destructs the shape of the molecule. So the shape of the molecule will be square pyramidal. The shape of the molecule will be square pyramidal. Okay. So this is how with this formula how easily you can find the shapes of molecules. Okay. So this formula I have found it from my years of experience. Long back I have taken this formula from some sources, and now today I am going to share it with you people. बहुत पहले मुझे लॉन्ग ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस के बाद ये फार्मूला मुझे मिला है किसी भी सोर्स से. सो आज जो फार्मूला मैं तुम लोग के साथ आज शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ. ओके. सो द शेप ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल बिकम्स स्क्वायर पिरामिडल. हाउ इजीली द शेप वी आर गेटिंग by using that simple formula. What is the formula? Is half of number of valence electrons on the central atom plus number of electrons bonded to the central atom by covalent bonds. Number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bonds. Let's consider another molecule. Let's see IF7 molecule. Number 3 is IF7 molecule. So number 3 is IF7 molecule. Okay. So here the central atom is I. Central atom is I. So whatever be the configuration of iodine, the number of valence electrons, whatever be the configuration of iodine, iodine is atomic number. Do you know what is the atomic number of iodine? So iodine is 53. Whatever be the configuration, but the valence electron will be 7. Whatever be the configuration, so valence electrons on the iodine atom is 7. So number of electrons in iodine atom is 7. Okay. Now number of atoms bonded to iodine. कितना एटम bonded है iodine के साथ by covalent bond? कितना एटम bonded है? 5. So thus again the shape will be half into 7 plus 5 equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. So 6 में से so कितना है bonded? Sorry, IF7. I have to consider IF7. So number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bond is equal to 7. So 7 plus 7 equal by 2 is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 14 by 2. So the shape will become like this. Okay. So it will be 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So 7 होना चाहिए bonds. Now from these 7 bonds, 7 bond has been taken by fluorine atoms. इस 7 bond में से 7 ही bond ले गया fluorine atom. Okay. So the number of lone pairs will be 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Means that in this molecule we do not have any lone pair of electrons. Okay. So the shape of the molecule will be somewhat like this. The shape of the molecule is somewhat like this, which we have not studied till now. So this is iodine, this is one fluorine atom, this is another fluorine atom, this is another fluorine atom, this is another fluorine atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4, this is another fluorine atom, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and the shape is like this. It is called, the shape is like this, and one atom here, one fluorine, another atom here, one fluorine. So the shape is called pentagonal bipyramidal. The shape is called pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, bipyramidal. Okay, so कितना easily आ गया हमारा shape, because we know that formula, we can easily find out the shape of molecule. Next molecule we will consider is H3O plus. Whatever molecule till date we have studied, so next molecule is H3O plus. So the next is number 4 is shape of H3O plus molecule or H3O plus molecular ion. Okay, so central atom here is oxygen. So number of oxygen is atomic number 8. So 2, 6. So number of electrons in oxygen atom is equal to 6. Number of oxygen valence electrons in oxygen atom is equal to 6. Now number of atoms bonded to oxygen atom by covalent bond is, number of each atom, how many atom is bonded, is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Okay. So now here one question. H3O plus मीन्स सेंट्रल एटम के ऊपर एक प्लस चार्ज है. सेंट्रल एटम के ऊपर एक प्लस चार्ज है. मीन्स दैट इन बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल नॉट राइट टू 6, विल राइट 2 and 5. मीन्स वी हैव 1 electron deficient. So here also we will write number of valence electrons of oxygen atom is equal to 5. So the answer will come as like this. So the answer is, so half of 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So 4 में से 3 चला गया, so 4 should be the bond. Number of bonds should be the 4. तो 4 में से 3 लेके चला गया हाइड्रोजन एटम. बाकी रहेगा कितना बॉन्ड? एक बॉन्ड जो कि है लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. बाकी है एक बॉन्ड जो कि है लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो द बॉन्ड विल बी लाइक दिस नाउ. So the molecule will take the shape as like this. Oxygen, here oxygen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here another hydrogen, and this bond is taken by lone pair of electron. So the shape is pyramidal geometry. So geometry of the molecule is pyramidal. So students, see how by simply using one formula, and again I am saying that this formula I have gathered from some source, and this formula, if you can remember, you can easily and quickly you can solve problems in your board exam as well as in your final exam. So the formula is very simple. Half of number of valence electrons on the central atom plus number of atoms bonded to the central atom by covalent bonds. इतना भी आता है बॉन्ड, इतना भी आता है 7 हो या 6 हो या 5 हो, उसमें से कितना एटम बॉन्डेड है सेंट्रल एटम के साथ, उसको माइनस कर दो, आ जाएगा नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर्स. सो वी हैव सीन दैट we have in first case we have 2 lone pairs, in second case we have 1 lone pair, in third case we have 0 lone pair, and in last case we have 1 lone pair. So this way you can easily find or predict the shapes of various molecules on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So I think this lecture will be of great use to you people. So with this I want to end up my lecture here today. So next day we will go with or we will start with a new topic. So with this I want to end up my session here today. Thank you very much my dear students.